Let's start with what's really exciting about Phoenix 8 is that we've added the speaker and the microphones to this device. And so that really gives you 3 different ways that you can access those functions. We have voice command, we have phone assistant, and voice notes. Let's start with voice notes. So click inside the menu, and then using the top button, this is where you can click record. If you record multiple voice notes, you'll be able to scroll down and find your list there. And that way, if you have just really great ideas in the middle of a workout or sometime where you don't have a chance to write them down, you can just create voice memos for yourself so that you can always come back to them and listen later.